Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the waiting room when you're hosting a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that, you should tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the left side column and tap on Settings in the Personal section. After that, you should tap on Meeting at the top, scroll down, and here you can see this waiting room section, meaning that when participants join a meeting, you can place them in a waiting room and require the host to admit them individually. So enable this function or feature by tapping on this button, and then your waiting room will be enabled when you host a meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.